Good evening. We start with growing concern about the safety of BC students and teachers as COVID-19 cases are identified at Metro Vancouver schools.
The positive tests come just days after the beginning of the new school year. And as CTV's Shannon Patterson reports, teachers are already calling for tougher rules.
Students at Delta Secondary went to class knowing someone who was inside their school last week has since tested positive for COVID-19.
I got a little bit of anxiety. The thought that it could be in our school, and I don't want to get it, my family doesn't want to get it.
Panorama Ridge Secondary and Johnston Heights Secondary, both in Surrey, also have positive cases, just days into the return to full in-class learning.
Inevitably, there will be cases because there are cases in society, and there are tens of thousands of people who work in school and hundreds of thousands of people who go to school.
Yes, it's going to happen. Public health has said it would happen. It doesn't make it easier to digest that it's going to happen, but I also understand that we have a long list of protocols and safety measures in place to help prevent spread in schools.
The layers of protection need to be in place and everyone needs to be able to count on them.
But the teachers union says there are holes in the plan. Huge crowds of students are gathering outside some high schools waiting for doors to open in the morning.
Cohorts or learning groups are supposed to be closed groups basically in schools. That's how they work. And so, when you see hundreds of kids gathered outside a school, it's not good. And so I think that districts may need to look at increased supervision.
Mooring also wants the government to be more forthcoming about which schools have positive cases.
Otherwise, what happens is you have people posting it on social media and creating websites, which we're seeing, and that inevitably is not going to be accurate.
Right now, school cases are not announced publicly. Administration is told, and if health authorities find the COVID positive student or staff member was inside the building during the infectious period, only close contacts will be informed and told to self-isolate. Everyone else can keep going to school.
My mom told me when I woke up that there was a case here.
At Delta Secondary and other schools where COVID-19 is already a reality for students and parents.
I didn't really sleep last night. Just a lot of anxiety because, it's scary.
Shannon Patterson, CTV News, Delta.